In this video, I'll be showing you how you can set up your social media links to your website. So whenever someone wants to click on any of these icons, it automatically opens up your social media page in a new tab. So what we're going to do is work with the menu first. That's when you first see the social links. And you will have to do this for every separate area. So you will also notice there are social links at the bottom here in the footer. So you will have to do that as well, the same process. So what we're going to do first is click on Facebook, and you want to see on the right hand side, make sure you're underneath the click actions bar, and underneath links you would go ahead and click. And you do not want to select social. What that actually is a social sharing button. You actually want to select URL, and then you want to input whatever URL is for your Facebook page. And make sure you have open a new window selected. This is going to make sure it opens in a new tab. If you don't have this selected, it'll automatically bring someone from your site to your Facebook page, and they won't be able to go back to your site unless they actually type in your domain again. And that just is a little bit of a hassle. So that's how you would do that. And you would just do this for every single social link. Select URL, input the URL. Select, input the URL. And again, you do have to do this for every separate area. Now, these are site canvases, so you don't have to do them for every single page. Once you do it on the home page, it'll apply to all the pages. But when you do it on the home page, make sure you set it up here, and you also come down to the footer and set it here, and then you're all set. If you have any questions about this process, head over to the Facebook support community and ask for help. I'll be more than happy to assist. Or you can email me at hello@bwpdesignstudio.com.